Welcome to today's Mechanism Deep Dive. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of the worm and worm wheel mechanism, a key player in many mechanical systems that require high torque and speed reduction. A worm gear is a type of gear that consists of a spiral screw, known as the worm, that meshes with a toothed wheel called the worm wheel. Together, they work to transfer power between two shafts that are set at a right angle to each other, typically 90 degrees. The worm and worm wheel mechanism is a powerful tool for high torque and precise motion control. It excels in applications where space is limited and safety is essential. From elevators and hoists to musical instruments, this mechanism continues to play a crucial role in countless industries. Worm gears are used in many applications where high torque and slow speeds are required. One of the most common uses is in elevator motors, where the worm gear ensures that the load stays in place without slipping. Thanks for watching today's Mechanism Deep Dive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed breakdowns of fascinating mechanical systems. Until next time, keep diving into the world of mechanics.